In this video today, I'm going to make it look like all I'm doing all day is messing about with this trolley. Organising a trolley. It couldn't be more exciting. It could be more exciting, but I'm not about to pretend it is. There's no way I've come down here just to mess about with the trolley, so there's a good chance something else might happen. Who knows? That little shot signified the passing of time, and a lot of time has passed. Lots of blood and sweat and tears have gone into this to make this the best work trolley I could possibly envisage. I'd like to say it's brought a tear to my eye, but it's just a bit of grit. That one just passing me, I can't quite reach it. Just pick it up. Just pick it up. A few years back I found this can of Strongbow in the back of a car. I'm never going to drink it, it's probably out of date now. So what can I do with it? What can I do with this, eh? Wow, that's strange. Looks like Michael Jackson's face over there. Should I just carry on twisting the vise so eventually it just pops, spurts cider up to the roof? That'd be... Ah! Cool, I found it. I've been looking for this. I found this old tablet here and I've been wanting to use it, which is quite useful. I know it's kind of going off subject a little bit, but I keep forgetting where I put it. And it's really surprising to see it just on the bench there because I couldn't see it before. I spotted Michael Jackson's face in that, but not this. That's how my brain works. Quite a handy thing to have this actually. It's very, very useful for well, you know, survived that. Lucky that, isn't it? Quite tough things, these tablets. Let's just, I hope I don't go and leave it somewhere stupid now. Luckily it still works. I can really smell that. It does smell very fruity. Yes, that was a very silly video. Why would you be watching me if you wasn't expecting silly videos? You wouldn't be. You'd stop watching and go somewhere else. Now, what about Jason the dinosaur there? Jason the Tyrannosaurus Rex. He genuinely was found by me on the M62 on the hard shoulder. I pulled over, which you're not supposed to do. I picked him up. And I kept him, and he's been my dinosaur ever since. And now he's got a job, as you can see. See you later.